In this modern world, fashion takes center stage. Even in the heat of our daily life, all of us want to look good, fashionable and trendy.
Welcome to the Faculty of Fashion and Design.
From fashion designer to fashion blogger.
From textile designer to fashion stylist.
From sketch designer to fashion photography.
From jewelry designing to footwear designing.
Industry-oriented curriculum, personality development, industrial visits, interaction with experts, and excellent placements.
Welcome to SGT University.
Come, be a part of this revolution. Join SGT University. SGT University, nurturing future leaders.